am from a southern town from prosperity and plenty. I am from a spoiled world of Apple devices, laptops, and precious objects. It feels nice to get everything you ever wanted. I am from the religion of Christianity. The cold, sovereign winter is my most favorite season of all with its heavenly, frigid breeze. I am from the Beveno and Smith family, from French and Native American descendants. And a bit of African American descent. I am from the musical industry and artistry. From gorgeousness and beauty, I've been crosses and big Thanksgiving feast. I'm from Hustle Manchester, Ratatouille, and Croissant. From big simple bars to bickering and arguments. The best part about my dad's side of the family is that they respect me, love me, and you've guessed it, they spoil me rotten.